Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to unlock camera settings on your Roblox for mobile phone. So I'm going to go on to my mobile settings and I'm going to search for permissions, because that's where you allow camera and mic stuff like that. I'm going to go to permissions again, and number 4 you can see camera. I have allowed 13 apps out of 50 to use my camera, and if I go down to the not allowed section, let's see if we can find Roblox there. Oh, yep, there it is. I'm going to click on Roblox and I am going to allow it to use my mobile camera. Now this should be able to unlock your camera settings for Roblox. If it does not do the job, go to Roblox itself. You're going to need to click on more in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and go to the settings section. Go to account info, and right below the birthday section in personal, over here, if it requires you to verify your age, you may need your personal ID and information to verify your age, and certain restrictions that are in place. For example, if your camera is not opening, that restriction will be lifted and you shall be able to open your camera. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing. Goodbye.